Welcome back, everyone, to another day of fun and excitement. Let's see, I think the music's a little quiet. Alright. So it's been about, 6 days since I last streamed because I redid my schedule and decided to give myself a big long break in the meantime. Let's see, what has changed? I guess now it's on my desktop because I'm frequently working out of my apartment. Or on the move. Other than that, honestly, not a whole lot has happened. I'm still struggling to get in the groove of writing off stream, which is part of why there hasn't been much work in the past couple of weeks. But okay, what I want to do today is where's my thing? So what's deadlines? Journal entries will need tags. Already have that. Let's do like first thing, sort dialogue entries by most recent, or like option to sort them by most recent. And then also where's my feedback? Somebody played it on 32:9, and so I can at least do this one, because he even suggested what it would be. Let's see, borderless full screen. So these two I can do pretty easily, I think. Or clamp, yeah. Clamp the UI to 16:9. Okay. So that was player. I guess I'll do the easy one first because that was something that someone actually suggested. Basically, I'm pretty sure what I can do. So I can just change the type of this. Okay, width divided by height. So I think height controls width. So 16 divided by 9. No, actually, I think it's 9 divided by 16. No, okay. 1.777. Close enough. Let's see, the closest I can do to actually, like, see if this works is to move it over to my other monitor and just, like, squish it. I know. I'll see if I can... Let's see if I can successfully navigate this. So what I'm gonna do... Alright, nothing happened for you guys. But now... Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stretch this. Because now I'm targeting the window, not the screen. Ah. I see a shortcoming. So I'll need, like, something on the borders of the screen. But okay, so this sort of approximates a 16 or 32:9, which is what the player was playing on. So the pause screen Because the pause screen basically... That's kind of nice. I kind of like playing this. I mean, there's a huge delay for some reason. I think it's just like a... Yeah, like... Oh, crashed. I think that's an unrelated issue. Hang on, why is that? Oh, I think there's no capture now. Oh, wait, no. Okay, I understand what happened. It went to the Godot window. All right. That's okay. I think that works. Looked decent. Well, I'll put... let's do, like, what is that, actually? Maybe I can just set the clear color to black? Would it be, like, display? Wait, I think it's gonna be... Hang on, so let's save this. I think I know what it is. It's because my background color does not need to be this, like, purple, I don't think. Because I don't think this does anything. Like, does it? I mean, I guess maybe maybe it's because I use it for the light. No, but I use the ambient light. Wait. Okay. Okay, I see it. For some reason, I'm using the ambient light and the background color, I think. Well, there goes that plan. Alright, I just need to add, like, black borders around it then, that stretch off to infinity. So let's do, like, well, what could I do? So this covers the full screen. And, now that I think about it, it's behind the, it's behind the pause menu. So if we do, like... Should I not set this? Oh well. What I need to do... So camera render. Dot show. So we need, what, unpause somewhere in here? And this will hide this. And this might be Hmm. Let's also do like dot modulate. Let's see if this works. So let's switch back to that. Wrong thing. Oh, I see. Because it had to switch off, so now it's... Okay, there we go. Aha. Look at that. Then, ultra widescreen. And I see that particularly bad artifacting that he was talking about. Yeah, look at that on the left there, that shadow seam. So I think there's got to be a more like elegant way of blending these shadow seams, because it's not nearly that bad. If I go back to, let's see, there's not quite... Oh, hang on. I see an issue. The background of the pause menu is stretched. Hang on. So we actually need to change this, I think. So I don't need each of these. I need each of these to be... I'm gonna change the type of this back to just like, what was it? Control, I think. So yeah, we're not gonna do that, because what I need now is actually that background to be fully captured. So let's make... How do I make the like window? Like, because I think what I can do here... Window size. So let's do like... that. It's not working. Let's just close that. Go back to player. Okay. Everything here is just done wrong. Like, was it always like this? I don't see how it works. Wait, I have to go back to, let's go back to display capture. So yeah, we're in a funny little place now. But okay. So story time. How does this work? I'll say that's perfect as it is. Debug console. I can add an aspect controller here. Or maybe I can do like a... Yeah, that's fine. It's a debug console. So I think for this one, I can just do, Oh wait, no, I can't do... Yeah, okay. This needs to be not controlled. I know what I can do. So where's control screen? Is that the only place for that? Huh. Did that work properly? I don't know. But okay. Let's have Fade have like a script now. UI components. And it'll be like show, and then there we go. And now what I can do is go to this. Then we can go to our little fade thing. We can just do white background. Okay, and then I can just change this to be aspect ratio container 3.7. It'll be height controls width, I think. This did, unfortunately, seem to mess up. Oh, I see. Now all of my children are screwed up. Because what I need now is a control here. Okay, hang on. I'm gonna undo this. So, let's hide everything behind this. Okay, it seems like whatever I've done has already screwed up my thing. What is this VBox container? What are these things? There's like so many things here now that are all screwed up. Perfect. So these are just buttons. Note get. Where will note get be? Why is everything like screwed up now? So I guess I could put this here. And then we can do like a line left, maybe? I won't fiddle with that too much. It'll just go in the top left. How did all of these, like, change for the worse so dramatically? Let's do, like, 10, negative 10, 20? No, negative 20. Eventually I'll freaking get it. Okay, and eventually what I'm gonna do. So now I can do control dialogue. Actually, let's change this type. Because then I can do this. God damn it. Oh, it just broke it. What the fuck is happening with these? Okay, whatever. It works now. So what is this thing? So this, well, no, this is fine. What I'll need to make sure is that the dialogue viewer is still in the right place. Yes, it'll be dialogue slash viewer. So I guess I'll go slow and steady on this. I wish the aspect container just did what I wanted instead of not doing what I wanted. Okay, whatever. So now with this, we need to do the same thing. Well, yeah. Because the background for the pause menu cannot be aspect ratio contained. So if I just change this, that puts everything, that makes everything like, wait, what does it do? I don't understand it, and it breaks all of my alignments. Yeah, and you can't undo the alignment there. That sucks. Because now I have to... Ugh. Hang on, can I, like, undo that? Oh, well, whatever. It's not gonna... I'll have to figure out how to fix that now. Like, why are all of these, like, screwed up? Godot's UI just works really nicely until it doesn't. It'll be, left. And I guess it shouldn't... So it needs to be far enough that it doesn't... let's just put it in the center. And, like, offset it slightly to the left or something. Because if the screen is this small, it still needs to work. So what is this? Mini notes? Let's just put this in the center as well. And its min size. Let's make the let's make it like 0.2. No. 0.2. .8. Margins. Top and bottom. And let's do like 0.7. No, 3. And then the min size will be 600, I guess. No, let's do like 900. I don't appreciate that it aligned to the top there. Or how it like aligned unevenly. Maybe not shrink center. I'm gonna have to see how this looks, because this could be not good. But okay, so we get note get. And the viewer expands the wrong way still. It needs to expand to the left. And it doesn't. This is the one that I'm not a fan of. My delightful little catastrophic fuck up of everything here. Okay, whatever. Let's at least see if it, like, works. Okay, so everything's a mess. I pause. Looks good. Wait, no. The pause menu, I just realized the only thing I've done so far is the dialogue. That sucks. Okay, this at least looks okay. Looks more compact than it used to. Maybe it's because now I'm used to ultra widescreen. But okay. Now let's very slowly get this to be unscrewed up. Let's do begin. Alright, I also need to make sure that this aligns properly with everything else in this menu. Debug doesn't matter that much. It'll be like... Let's do like bottom left. I just don't... Oh wait, there's also the flags, aren't there? No, wait, no, that's on the left-hand side. Probably. Let's just align it there. That's pretty good. I move it down a little bit. And let's actually move this one down a little bit as well. Does this... I think this needs to be the full rectangle. That's good enough. Is it... I guess these were aligned properly? Maybe they need some margins, though. Let's do, like... 20 pixels all sides. And I'll just put this right above here. Then this... I hope this doesn't all get completely obliterated when I set this again. But okay. Doesn't really matter what I do with these, as long as they're even. But I also need the saving thing in a different place. Item get, note get. Maybe like, I could just put it, like, out here. Or I could put it, like, down here. Debug stuff is fine. Custom game, yeah, that's okay. I think the only thing I need now is this, I guess, well, hang on, more things still. I wish there was like a please don't screw up, like, please unscrew up the size, like, just make it, like, not stupid. Let's just put it in the bottom left. I'm not doing anything important with that side of the screen. I guess this one, I'll just put it center. Maybe like slightly lower than the center. And you know what, this one will actually, I'll put it like the top wide. So then we can do bottom. And let's do min size of, well, it doesn't need a min size. I'm just gonna do like anchor of like, that seems okay. Let's see how this looks. Let's hide the reset. So what's the button? I think it's like, let's just get the controller. Okay, I think it's basically back to how it was. But now what I can do is I can take this. Let's add another aspect ratio container. And we'll do width, or height controls width. Well, yeah, I guess height controls width. I just realized these still need to be in the correct order. So yeah, paused, gaming, dialogue. Oh, Christ. I mean, what I could do is just have gaming/gaming, but then it would be worse. Because I need game here. Hang on, let's go to this, because this doesn't, it's slow. So I'm pretty sure it's here. Gaming. Let's get everything. Hang on. All right, whatever. What I should really do here is like almost. Okay, is that everything? And maybe I should get a lot of these common things. Nah, they're fine. Oh. Let's do ui.game.getNode. Let's go to player. Yeah. Okay, let's do stats now. So I can mass refactor these pretty easy. Because I know that I need to do this for all of them. I think this is the last one. Let's see if slash... yeah, that seems okay. Let's just pause this. Wait, hang on, do I have... debug equals... Oh, I already have this. So how do I... What am I doing for get node here? Okay, let's try this again. The assigned value doesn't have a set type. The variable... Oh. Maybe in a few million years I'll get this going. Okay, next thing will be rearranging this. What was I doing? Making sure, I guess making sure that these all work, which they do. Let's get the dialogue then. Not quite. Oh, cool, because I still have these fucking things. What am I doing? Like, what is wrong with me? Why do I make my things so hard to refactor? Okay, this is looking okay. And even bugs in there. Hang on. Let's go to my tutorial, Tyler. It's astonishing to me. Hang on, games. Can I do like a find? Let's find. It'll be a regular expression that starts with this, then goes to not this, this. So it should be. Oh, I know. Not star plus. Or not. There we go. Mm-hmm. Okay, so that got us there. Wait, both of these... There's something wrong with the syntax highlighting here, actually. Ah. Alright, let's find the other class of issues then. So this, not closing bracket, ending bracket. Mm-hmm. Okay, I think these ones are fine. This one's not fine. Okay, there we go. Now I've actually found everything. That was there, at least. Okay, and then let's just go back. Let's, Oh, I can't select the tutorial. So that's a serious bug. Hang on. Let's put that in the bugs. Showing when replies are active causes you to select a reply. Trading codes physical causes replies to defocus. Okay, so game breaking. Put that in there. Yeah, because now I have to exit. Then we can play the tutorial. And in a shocking turn of events, this is fine. And hopefully players realize that there's a comma for doing a button and then pressing the other button. Okay, that seems good. Wait, let's go this way. And I swear I can do something better with my shadows. Like spherical or circular like shadow distance instead of like linear based on the z-axis, but okay, because I want to see where this actually is. That's good enough. Though actually, I might prefer it to be above the center of the screen. No, wait, no, not this one. Item get. Because I want it to be like slightly above the player. Okay, that gets us that. And then the status menu is the final one. So this one, I need right date time control. And then not quite. And undoing that fucks it up. Okay, where is the panel? So this does not need... What's the style on this thing? Also, I don't know why this doesn't match with these. But okay, so these... Do these need to have... Okay. I don't think these should have the background. Unless I actually want it specifically for them. So like this, can I just, hang on. I could take this script. So what if I did like, make this the scene root? Alright, let's, help. Okay. So now I can just override this theme here. Because what I'm going to do is for this pause menu, now we don't have this panel. It'll be an empty style box. And also this means that so I went through all the work of adding this panel here. That's not going to be there. Okay, but let's see. Inventory as well. So this one I can just do... Yeah. The wardrobe works. Save and load. New style box empty. Because now I can do... I'm going to change this to a panel. And then I can change this to, so this is our aspect ratio controller. Whoops, not quite. I forgot the entire point of that was to not do that. Okay. Full rectangle. There we go. Let's see, so I'm almost 100% certain. Yeah, so this status will now be, I guess it'll be that. And this will be like sized slash aspect ratio container slash tabs. Let's do a get node aspect ratio container slash sized slash date time slash margin slash stats. And then this is good. Oh wait, also background visible equals not active. Okay. Look at that. It's looking pretty good, and the map shows up and everything. Let's see how far we can go. We can go all the way there. Oh wait, I need to make sure that we can go all the way to the right, because I thought that it, like, stopped. Ah, it does stop. Okay. So I need to fix that, but otherwise that's... Oh wait, let's make sure... Ah, okay. Not quite everything. Right, because I don't need this anymore. I do wish I could hide the UI, because it's clear that there's a screenshot when I switched from the wardrobe to the thing. Oh well. Okay, let's see if this works still. Looks very cinematic. Okay, what was the thing that I needed to fix? The map. So for some reason, scrollable map. Maybe let's put it in like... Oh, the reticle needs to be in the center. Automatically. I mean, I guess that's... How does this move? Where does it stop moving? Where are the min position and max position defined? OS window size divided by 2 plus zoom scale plus scroll area dot texture dot get size. What does that mean exactly? So the map starts here. And yeah, we can go way off to the left here. So it's like offset. Is that because... Hang on. Let's move this over here. And I'm going to switch to our screen there. Oh. Let's make it even wider. See, this is a cinematic experience now. So we can see here. And I can just... Okay. And so, with the mouse, it's fine-ish. See, this is what cinematography is all about. In fact, let's make it more cinematic. Look at this. This is a gamer's gamer. But okay. So, we start here. So I can see quite clearly. Okay. Is there something wrong with my calculation? Because as it skews further and further from the center. What happens if I do... Yeah, let's pause here. Let's go back to my other window. So for some reason, only at whatever it is, 19 by 20, is it perfect? Oh, or 16 by 9. Okay, I guess what it is. It's because this window is not designed for its scroll area. Oh, right, because it assumes that it has the full size. So it needs to actually get its, I think it needs this. Maybe? Because it's confusing, because it doesn't use... In fact, that probably didn't work on windowed, like, when you're doing windowed mode anyway. Yeah, okay, now it works. So that was just broken, like, before that happened, like, before I even did that. But alright, we have our map, and it looks good. Okay, I think this was a fun little addition. I think I can say... Well, let's get, like, a... Oh, whoops. You're seeing the wrong thing. There we go. So yeah, basically the bug was I was using the Windows size, not the... Or I was using the size of the screen. Wait, no I wasn't. No, okay, that was a bug just unique to this specific design. Basically, I was using the size of the entire window, not the size of the drawable area. Okay, let's go out, I don't know, do something, I guess. I don't know what other UI I need to test. Wait, I guess I need to test the items. Make sure that these work. So let's trade coats, I guess. So I could put that off to the side. I think that would look nicer. I think this could be bigger here. Let's see what happens. Also, this feels like a stress test for the UI now. Okay. Let's make it big. High resolution gaming here. In fact, how does the game feel at 4K? Wait, what? Never mind, it was just a compliment. So something went wrong with my code there, or my dialogue there. Let's see if that's actually an issue with the other thing. So this all looks good. It degrades kind of poorly with, oh, well, it crashed. Alright, whatever. It degrades kind of poorly with smaller resolutions, and I think at higher resolutions you just have to turn up the size, but otherwise I think that's okay. But okay, what was I doing? I needed to get project dialogue, intro. Where's intro? That guy, gate guard. So, never mind, it was just a compliment. Okay, so it was okay, I see. It was because it did this. I didn't exit there. And then it fell into this part. Wait, actually, should this be... I think this should be... Yeah, I think this is correct. And also I'm going to make it chronological, so this one comes first. Oh. I've been trying to switch it around so that to make sure that it's actually properly like... So this is the one that you would first get because you haven't cleared the gate. Then you would get this one because you haven't traded coats with him. Then you would get this one because you've traded coats with him before. And let's make sure that there's a fall through, just in case I add other code in the future. I think if I was doing a V2, I'd make this, like, structured by default. Like, if anything's indented, it doesn't automatically jump to the next, like... Or, like, these labels would be, like, indented. And then you wouldn't automatically jump to the next one. Like, it could potentially end right then and there. Or it would automatically go back to what called it. Because I've been thinking... For my next project, I'm probably going to split this out into like a library or like an asset that I can either like just provide for free or sell to people. But okay, I think that takes care of the least important task today, which was that. Well, well, honestly, it's feedback from a user, so that's probably more important than just a feature that I think of. Oh well. That was fun. Oh wait, I need to go to desktop now. Is it still 05, Jak 4? What is this dang thing called? 05? Oh wait, no, it's because it's in OneDrive. Even though I got rid of my OneDrive. I canceled my OneDrive subscription like half a year ago. But it just like messes up all of your files. All right. More fixes, better behavior on wide monitors. Okay, what was the other thing I was going to do today? So I could do borderless window mode. I'm going to do sort dialog. Well, oh, I can just set this to borderless. I'm going to switch the enum. So let's go to... Because this will also be pretty easy. What I'll do is enum screen mode full screen windowed borderless. Set get set screen get screen. So if mode, let's do match screen mode. Full screen equals or Window borderless equals false. Equals false, and then os.window borderless equals true. Let's see how this looks. Huh. Oh, it's because it loaded it. Okay. Options, display. Go to windowed. Then let's go to borderless. Mm-hmm. Okay. Let's save and quit there. Let's see how this looks, because it should automatically... Okay, there it goes. Good. And let's change this back to like 1200 by default. So now we have functional things. We have new options. I'm glad that I added that enum support, because basically, when did I even add that? Did I add that on stream? Because my options menu used to not support them, which was why, like, the graphics settings had, like, a checkbox for, like, high-quality shadows, and then another checkbox to disable shadows. But now it has, like, low disabled. So you can set the shadows to bad, or you can just turn them off entirely. Which should significantly improve performance once it gets, like, the jitters shooken out of it. But yeah, I'm still mulling over the idea of switching Godot to be a deferred renderer, because that would dramatically reduce the number of shaders that it has to use, but it would significantly increase the VRAM. Well, I guess not that huge, because it's like 3 screens or whatever, and that'd be like 2 textures or something on like in an average game. Though really the big performance killer is probably the multi-threading, which I've talked about before. Because I think I mentioned... Oh. Performance hitch there. Alright. Let's just go back. Yeah. It's... Most of the overhead's probably driver inefficiencies that I can look at. Let's see. Control screen. Val equals true. What is val? What was this? Was it like, can't get path of node as it is not in scene tree. Oh. That's also... What is this? This is the pause menu. So it's right here. I really should have... Well, I can just rename this to status menu at some point. But okay, aspect container. Sized. Date time. Margin. Stats. That should be correct. I think it's just because it's not in the scene tree. I forget what this does. So that was dialog viewer. Okay. control screen value. The lag in here is abominable now that I've actually like been using. Okay. Let's go back to whatever that was. That was UI. UI, maybe. No, it was dialog viewer. Okay, so this will be control screen controlled. Why can this not be loaded? Like, what's the issue? So this is fine. Like, this does not have issues. Alright, then I'll just remove this then. Okay, that's not gonna work. Just close it. Let's figure it out. Because clearly this is not the issue. Clearly there's some other issue. Because I haven't changed... Like, I've refactored a bunch of stuff and renamed a bunch of nodes, but otherwise it hasn't changed that much. Okay. So it was just being in a bad mood, I guess. What was I even fixing? Right, this. Drill down to the view. Pick item, control screen. So let's go to here and just call this control screen as well. Honestly, I should probably use a lot fewer signals than I do, because, like, this isn't going to change. I don't need to... I think I should probably, at some point, refactor it to not use so many signals, so that way I can configure everything through code. Because the only times I really need signals is when I'm doing things programmatically. Like, having, like, actual listeners on the signal. What did I even change? Oh, right. Okay. So this adds the... borderless window option. Bug fixes. I don't need to push. Okay. Let's do the main event now. Sorting the dialogue entries based on their, what have you. So let's add a button somewhere in here. Maybe like in here. Because I have this. So I have this little sidebar that doesn't have anything in it. Because otherwise I'd have to make this... Oh, actually, this needs to be a scroll container. Oh, wait, no, it is a scroll container. And I wonder, do I need this margin here? Hang on, I need to make sure that I understand how this works. I don't know why that I have that such a large margin at the top. Okay, I think it's because it's for historical reasons. I'm pretty sure. Hmm. You know, maybe it wasn't for historical reasons. But no, why does this... Hang on. I don't get it. Like, how does the panel exceed the bounds? Oh, is it because the... Do I have the margins in the wrong place, or the position, or... What on earth am I looking at here? What the fuck? I, like, broke it. I, like, permanently, completely broke it. Hang on. Maybe I need to just... Okay, no. I didn't break it. But this is confusing because it's not... Like... The buttons are in the wrong place. Wait, no. Okay, I'm just not under... I'm just dumb. I'm just not... I just don't understand things, I guess. Okay, let's make all of these consistent. So what's the margins on this thing? Top should be like, what, 20? Right, should be negative 40. Right, 20. And then what, 40 here. Let's do like top. Okay. And save and load is fine. And also I need the, what can I just do? Let's go to the map. Let's put a little panel, like center bottom. Theme overrides fonts. So I need big font. And I'll keep that there. What else do I need? Oh, I need to set the prompts to the right actions. Oh. I think actually, do I need this? Yeah, that's fine. So it should, yeah, map zoom in, map zoom out. That's suspicious. Why do those not work, though? Maybe I can do... I mean, I guess I could do buttons. Or, like... I know what it is. Good prompt. 3D... No, script. Show text input string. No, show image. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do var viz remap. Const viz remap. Because basically, I have the buttons for the left and right trigger buttons, but not for the left and right trigger axes. So let's go to icons. No. Prompts. Add generic. Yeah, so we have gamepad 6 and 7. But we don't have axis 6 and 7, I think. Yeah. Convenient. If not else, if input string in viz remap okay, that should give me everything I need. For now, at least. Okay. I'm going to do small, though. Well, can I do, like... I guess... Yeah, I guess I'll just do small. Let's just see how that looks. RT, LT, zoom in, out. And let's also put a spacer in there. And make this, well, I guess that's fine. Let's do like min size of like 45. Actually, let's see what it looks like if I do this. Space, Alt. All right, and I forgot it zooms in on where my mouse is. I forgot I did that. I'm good at this stuff. I know what I'm doing. I mean, there's like a 1-second delay, but otherwise, you know, not bad. Can I like... Oh, the mouse... I forgot, the mouse doesn't hide when you move it, because I was having issues with that. And someday, in like 10 million years, I'll fix that bug with that visual port text with this texture here, where for whatever reason, it starts 512 pixels wide. I mean, maybe I could call deferred to show it and hide it again? But oh well. I kind of miss having the more space at the top. Because now it's a little, like, packed in here. Does this... I forget... Oh, right. I never got this working. No, did... Actually, no, I did. Sort of. You click and drag. But you can't click these buttons because they're not actually buttons. Okay, good enough. I might tweak the visuals of that. Well, I'm still planning on doing a full visual rework at some point anyway. Or like a significant change to this stuff. Okay, I'm gonna say whatever I just did. Better from... I don't know, UI work again? Okay. Now, at long last... So I don't need this to be here. Well... Let's do, like... sidebar. So this isn't the header anymore. And it's not a... And I don't need this. And we're going to have a prompt right here. Is that what it's called? Yeah. Let's do, I know. I might still actually want it to be... Now that I've done all this work to do this, this was a bad idea. Because I still actually need them to be here. Or... There we go. Let's go back to the inventory. I think I can do small mode here. I think that's what I do with this one. Yeah. Because I'll make these consistent. Also, I think it should be like that. Hbox, sidebar, items list. All right, and this has the actual bar. So let's do like enum sort, like topic. Let's do like subject recency. If sort equals, let's do like where's my onReady bars? Okay, so if sort equals sort dot subject, else, let's do, so I need to figure out an entirely new way of sorting things. Or no, an entirely new way of rendering them in the mode where we don't need... So I think what I would need to do is hide these two then like make this one bigger. So it'd have to like expand like that. Let's do like set sort. Let's not do that. Well, yeah. So we have the sidebar. Let's just do like hbox.notes.hide box.notes.show spacer dot hide. Oh. I don't know what I'm doing. Hang on. My brain is sort of fried now. Okay. For the subject, we show all three of these. And we have hbox slash sidebar dot horizontal equals. No. What is this? Size flags horizontal. Size fill. This will be size expand fill. Okay. So that does what I want. And then we need to hide this. And we need to hide this. Because we only have the other thing. And then I'm going to have all here. Maybe. Now I might need to just how do I want to do this? I'm actually going to hide the sidebar. And then we can do like So for key in IDs. What is this? Oh, okay. That's for the end bar. So we actually need to, like, write notes. N. Does this do everything correctly? And I don't actually need this here. Because what I'm going to do instead is, else we are going to write notes. Global game state journal reversed. Can I do, like, is there a reverse list? Reverse is the order of elements. Invert. Okay. Okay, and now what I can do is we can do get no process set process input is visible in tree. But if event.is action pressed UI sort set sort. Let's do like sort plus equals 1. Sort equals sort modulo sort size. And then draw notes. Okay, let's see how this looks. So what it should do is it should, oh, it'll hide the sidebar though. Yeah, okay. That's not quite what I want. Also, the notes don't show up. Yeah, okay. So that's not good. And also it overlaps with everything else. Let's do 2D. Sidebar, we need, and I guess I needed a spacer here anyway. Oh, I see. This wasn't going to work out anyway. Because I need this padding to be a fixed size. And so this needs to be somewhere else. Like, I don't know, just like 2D. Let's put it in like the bottom right. So sadly, we have to move this to somewhere better. God damn. Just let me move this one thing, please. Okay, that's about where I'm going to put that. Will not expand. It will instead be a rectangle with a min size of like, I don't know, 50? 60 or something? And then this will expand. Let's expand this way. Oh, cool. And this is in the sidebar still. But I'll have to hide the I guess all the notes or something. Yeah. Cuz one is okay. It needs to wipe the thing. What am I saying? When I redo this input, we need to clear these. And I guess maybe do this. I don't know if I need this. I'll just leave that as it is. Wait, no, that's in the wrong place now. Well, no, I think that's correct. So what I'll need next is a little thing, or to remove our sidebar. So, okay. This puts all of the notes in order. Like reverse chronological order. And then we need to set sort. Where did I grab the focus? If starting item. Call deferred show notes. Okay. Okay. So now it grabs focus again. And also I see that my thing is hopelessly out of order. Whatever I'm trying to say. I go to journal. Go to this input prompt. That should be small. Also, it should sort... I think it should expand from the other direction. So let's go to 2D. Let's go to end. And let's also grow direction. Begin. So now it'll expand out to the left. So yeah, unfortunately that means... Yeah, the UI is a little complicated. Oh well. Let's just use a journal. Let's sort by recent. So what I'll need to do next is make this look correct. And also I need like a border so that it's clear what's happening here, because it overlaps and that's confusing. But okay. So we're going to set our subject text. So on subject focused. Subject name. I guess this here will be in the set sort. Oh. Okay. So all notes. So now I need to actually have these sorted reverse chronological. So where is that player start? So I want... So first, we remember Jackie. Then we remember Mom. This needs to be here. There. Now they're proper chronological order. So I'm also going to put a little thing underneath each of these where it just lists the tags that are attached to this note, I think. But let's see. Oh wait, this won't do anything yet. Oh. Well, there's certainly... Huh. Let's do like else set sort sort dot subject. So it's going to go back to the subject sorting by default, I think. Oh. Oh, I need to call deferred the... What do I do here? Okay, this is what I need to do. So write notes n, if buttons, call deferred. That's correct. Maybe I need to... Oh, wait, I think I need to do go notes. And then I'm going to do this maybe? Oh wait, no. If there's a starting item, call deferred show notes. Let's see if this works. So what it should do, go here, use journal. Oh, wrong button. Wait, what? Oh, this is... Okay, I need to hide this, though. Because, yeah, if I do use journal, then I... what did I press, actually? That's weird. So where is that? That's like dialogue viewer. So end, pause, unpause, resume. Disable replies, enable replies. Exit. So I need the viewer, I think. I guess I don't. Okay, yeah. So what do these things do? So there's signals, item picked, note picked, context reply, cancel. Because what's happening is I'm pressing the X button. And that should be ignored, because it should change the sorting. I guess? Oh, I think I know what it might be. I think the mini journal needs to be hidden. Yeah. That's the first place. And then when this is hidden, we need to do mini journal.hide here. Yeah, because we need, yeah. That was the issue. Because I was pressing Y, which should disable, which was disabling the item context, but not hiding it. So basically, I press Y here, it's gone. Use journal, press B, use journal, press X. So we need to, well, one, I would really like the ability to like scroll in here. So I think I just need to use the right analog stick or enable that at some point. But real issue is those are not the correct size. And I don't know what those do different. So let's look at this. So that is here. Draw list, set sort, get image, populate list. So on subject pressed, or on subject focused actually, is the important one. Because it seems to work for buttons, because it's doing this. So it should do that. Why is that not working? Because if we look at this, these notes are correctly sized. These notes are not correctly sized, unless... Nope, looks like that doesn't work. So for some reason, they're just way too big. Let's see if this is being hit. So if I do this, yep, got hit. Perfectly fine. Then if I press it again, it got hit. But why are they not working then? So like, okay, I'm seeing here. What if we need to show the notes first? Actually, what if we need to do like... Draw list, notes.hide. Dot show. So it's just, it's hiding, like it's showing it too late or something. Oh, that's fine. There's X. There we go. A little bit better. Though, it looks like there's extra lines. And also we're not getting the proper, like, grab. If not starting item. Okay. I'm gonna try, like, if we... Oh, wait, no. I already do that. So yeah, when we redraw the list, starting item is set to null. So for our buttons, so this is the subject. So starting item, if it's not set, it's set to the button. This should... Oh, show notes. So yeah, notes.show, if starting item.grab focus. Let's do this. No. What I'll do is just if not starting item equals B. This might work. So this, then we go there, then we go back. Pressing B did not work correctly. Oh, right. That's because I need to do that here. Maybe I need to do that in... I know where I need to do that. I'll do that soon, because I need to... Let's swap these. This is not correct. I guess maybe I do need this. Okay, so we have the starting item, and then show notes is not grabbing it. And why is that the case? Alright, so that works. Maybe? Hello? Okay. No, it did it twice. Hang on. Am I doing something wrong? Did I set this... Okay, no, that's is action press. That's correct. So it's not grabbing the button. So what does it grab here? What is this item? We have 9 blah 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 starting item. It's a button named Jackie. So we'll continue. Now what is it? It's a button named Jackie again. And it is not focused. And now it's a button that has presumably no children. Or no text, but it does have a child. Which we can't see here, but it definitely does. Because it's in the journal notes. Yeah, because it's just one of those generated buttons. So yeah, that's correct. It's just not set correctly. I'm doing something out of order. So on subject pressed. This seems fine, I guess. Oh, wait, we also need this for, well, no, if you press the subject and then you do that, okay, that's not important. Oh, wait. This is important, though. If sort equals sort dot subject, there we go. Because then it can't grab focus. Because that's basically so that you can't, because they were interrupting the focus there. So now, press X. Okay, there we go. That solves that issue. Now I can press these buttons. But then we still have the issue that I can't go back. So for some reason, something is missing when I press the button again. So that is, we set the sort, then we draw a list. What could be different? So we set the sort and draw the list. And that's the same thing we do here. Is it because the starting item exists? So if we set sort, then we draw list. Starting item is null. Clear the list. We hide the notes. Do we need to hide the notes, though? Like, I don't know of a reason that we need to actually hide those. Well, I'm seeing one issue. Okay. So there's something wrong with that. But I don't understand what that means, though. I also don't know why it looks so much worse here. Like, I don't know what I'm doing. Wait, now I'm having the opposite issue again. Now it focuses just fine here. It doesn't focus here. What the hell? And now, pressing B... Oh, wait, no. Okay, that always happened. Okay, and now it's not doing that. I don't understand what this means. So I think the issue is that I think notes should just not be hidden ever. Like, I don't know why it's... Like, it's just redundant. So let's do, like, focus first button. And let's just call deferred focus first button. So yeah, that, unnecessary. This, unnecessary. I think there might have been a reason, though. Because it seems like, for some reason, hiding it and then showing it again was what was making the focus work. Okay. No, and the buttons get all screwed up. Look at that. It's just sized improperly. I wish there was like a button container. Okay, so it works the first time, though. That's the weird thing. Let's see if this works, because it should be visible. And I think it might be something to do with maybe the journal. So this is stupid. Like, this shouldn't be happening. And also, for some reason, the button sizes are all they're like weird. Okay. And we're getting something good here. What even is starting item? Sidebar items list. Wrong. Incorrect. Because starting item... Where is it being put? If not starting item equals B. And I can see clearly, this is... What is this? Sidebar items list. No. That's not the right thing. That's just not the right thing. Because the issue here... Yeah, and it's the Jackie button. So it's not being reset. Hang on. Okay, so what is B? Good. Then let's go to, like, I don't know, 12? What on earth does this mean? Okay, but this is correct. So now I'm seeing what the issue is. For some reason, notes are hidden. Bar. So this should be shown. Okay. So this is actually correct. I was misunderstanding what happened. It's when I switched back to the subjects sorting. It populated the list, which for some reason hid the notes. But they're not hidden. Like, which node isn't visible? Like, if we see notes, visible, it's on. Then the starting item. Sidebar items list. I should have printed the stack. Hang on, let's do that again. I just don't get it. It does the same sequence of methods. Use journal. So here, and I don't get why the buttons are so fucked up. And now it's, no, okay, that's correct. That's still fine. So that gets us the buttons. Then, and the buttons here are way fucked up too. So what's our stack? Oh, right. There is no stack. Because it's a deferred function. And why am I calling this here? That's fine, actually. I wish there was a way I could, like, calculate expressions in here. Because I'm basically just going to have to make a bunch of variables and figure out which one. So why is this not... Set, sort, draw a list. Maybe I need to like call deferred on it. So it'll change the sort. So there'll be one frame where it's wrong. So it'll be like... No, okay, that's not the issue. It's like a long time. It's like a very long time. Let's do like fucking... I don't know. Fucking 4 seconds. So why is it... Because it should be there after 1 frame. Or it should be there the same frame. There we go. So sort 2, 1, up, go back, 4, 3, 2. Wait, I'm focused on the wrong thing. What the fuck does it mean? Assert starting item that is inside tree. So it's like I'm getting an orphan node, I think, actually. Wait, and also I don't need that, In fact, do I even need... I think I don't even need, Let's go to... yield. Let's just focus the first button on the same frame. See if that works. Okay. Calling deferred was unnecessary. So it still exists in the tree. It's still visible. But it's not visible in the tree. What the fuck does this mean? What does this mean? Am I hiding something improper, like showing something improperly? Subject image. So sidebar show, spacer show, subject image show. Hide, hide, hide. But that would be... I don't get it. I guess it must be something to do with this part. Like, I have to get the timing. Or, like... But why would call deferred not work here? Okay, let's go right into here. So, like, let's do, like... Where's add child? Oh, we add the child right here. Assert. We're gonna get to the bottom of where these things are turning invisible. And it's like, because it... But... So they are still in the tree. But after 4 seconds, after a timer that waited 4 seconds, they were still invisible, even though everything else was in the scene. I don't understand what I'm doing. And also I don't understand why my resizing keeps screwing up. Like, why is it... It's so screwed up here. So this is not correct. So, like, let's assert... No, let's assert... Okay, so the sidebar is invisible. But that's not correct. Because it's literally set... Maybe I just need to, like... But then why... But that would mean that this should work. Or, not there. I also appreciate how Godot keeps deleting my parentheses. I mean, I get it's trying to be smart, but I don't like when editors delete things that I didn't delete. Like, no. It's not correct. The sidebar is visible. I set it visible. I can see it being set visible. The whole fucking thing is invisible? What do you mean? What are you talking about? How is the... Hang on. Use journal. X. Its parent is invisible. Nothing in the tree is... What does this mean? I don't even know what this parent is. Like, where are we? We're in like the... So this is the journal. Wait a second. I just realized I might be getting the wrong journal. Oh, Jesus goddamn Christ. It was because this journal was getting input. Ah. I hate video games. Okay. Let's undo some of this mess, so I don't need to assert everything in the entire world anymore. I should have suspected something with that. I guess I thought that this would take care of it, but obviously no, because the visibility didn't change. It started invisible. But okay. So the other bug was the buttons were not being properly resized. So let's go back and look at that again. So this is another thing where I've been having issues. Like, look at that. That's not good enough. And now it looks ugly. Because it's... And here, they look ridiculous. And now they're too small. Now it's too big, too small, too big, too small. And I don't know why they're unsynced. So let's just... And now sort journals by... Or journal raised by recency. So I need to figure out Godot resize button based on contents. Of course, the problem is my buttons are multi-line buttons because they don't support word wrapping by default. Alright, let's hide this. Gaming is the one that I need. So let's go to, I guess, well, the dialogue viewer typically is pretty good. So we just call deferred resize replies. Wait, do I call it? Oh, I call it for every single instance of it. Hang on, what happens if I do this? So I'm calling it like multiple times a frame. That's not what I need. I need to talk to somebody who has like dialogue. Failed to execute abolish note. Because it's called abolish notes. He has stopped talking to me. I think that's just a content bug, though. It's not like a system thing. Let's see, I'll put that in... Why is that? Bugs, gameplay impacting... Let's see if I can, like, fiddle with it. Non-existent function on... Oh my god. Alright, what am I looking for? Okay, I also need to like be able to let's do that tomorrow. So I need to fix scrolling do UI. Fix scrolling. Fix I guess like add controls. So this could be difficult because I don't think Godot has any built-in way of me figuring out, like, one, so, okay. I mean, I already needed, like, a global system because you can't hold a button to, like, scroll through options. So I needed to add that, and I needed to add the ability to use the left analog stick to go through things, and I want the right analog stick to scroll through it. And then I want the ability to focus in, to like scroll down on this object, because... And also we need the notes now to be properly sized. Okay, so this is probably going to need... a global, like, UI control system. And I might have bigger refactors of, like, it figures out what the player is focused on, and it calls it, like, at any point with any dialogue option, so that way nothing happens, or so that way I don't have to have a repeat of that issue where I had two journals accepting input at the same time because I only have one object that checks what you're focused on. But okay. Alright. And I stayed on 40 minutes longer than I wanted to, because UI is like addicting to me in not a good way. But okay, more UI work tomorrow. Mostly getting, I guess, necessary refactors done. Alright, see you later.